If your iPhone 16 or 17 Pro Max has randomly started to disconnect from your home Wi-Fi, then let us see what to do. The first thing that you will do is you will simply restart your router. Sometimes normally restarting the router fixes many of the minor issues. The other thing that we will do is we will go to settings here, go to Wi-Fi, and suppose if this is the Wi-Fi network, tap on it, select forget network, forget, and after that again reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. The other thing that you will do is once you are connected to the Wi-Fi network, tap on this eye icon here, and there is an option here, private Wi-Fi address, turn it off. Now here there is a message, if you want your device to be tracked by Wi-Fi networks or nearby Wi-Fi devices when using this network, so it's up to you if you want to allow or disallow. Let me select cancel. Now again go back. Now the other thing that we'll do is we will again go to settings, Wi-Fi. Right now if I see, I am connected to a Wi-Fi network which is 2.4 gigahertz channel, but if you have the same Wi-Fi network name with 5 gigahertz channel, and if you are right now connected to 2.4 gigahertz, then try to connect to 5 gigahertz. If 5 gigahertz channel works properly, then you might want to connect to that 5 gigahertz channel. And suppose if I am connected to 5 gigahertz, so once I disconnect from 2.4 gigahertz, I will tap on this eye icon next to it. I will disable this option auto join, and I will select this option forget this network and forget. So I will make sure that I will connect to network name with 5 gigahertz channel. Now also if you have enabled this cellular data, then make sure that this option Wi-Fi assist is disabled. So do all of this and check if this will fix the issue or not.